we bounce? Let's find out! Welcome to I Love Fun Science!
Welcome to I Love Fun Science! And today we are going to be doing the bouncing egg. So first what we will need is vinegar, of course an egg. Add the vinegar in the glass. Next, we add the egg. And now we wait for 1 day.
1 day later. Here's the science behind it.
Shells are made of calcium carbonate, while vinegar is an acid. These two react to break down the outer shell. The egg membrane is semi-permeable, so it allows some of the vinegar to move into the egg by osmosis. This makes the egg bigger and more delicate.
Bye, thanks for watching. And check out more fun videos